If your Bunn Axiom brewer is showing a message like warning stop using please repair unit, here are some steps you can take to safely diagnose and possibly resolve the issue, along with when you'll need professional service, because this is commercial equipment and involves high voltage and plumbing. If you're not comfortable with those systems, it's safer to call a technician. Preliminary safety and checks: unplug, disconnect power, and turn off water supply before doing any internal inspections. The manual emphasizes no user-serviceable parts inside. Only qualified service personnel should open the unit, verify the unit is properly connected. Power supply, water supply, correct voltage, circuit breaker not tripped, check the installation. Correct water pressure, typically 90 psi, proper plumbing. No kinks in lines. Confirm the brewer is in a suitable environment temperature. Tilt if applicable. For newer units, common causes and troubleshooting steps based on the Axiom Manual S. And technical guides. The please repair type messages often relate to one or more of the following: scale buildup line, flow problems, sensor or valve failures, or control board issues. See, for example, the programming manual for references. Warning: very low flow, please repair for scale buildup issues is a suggested step-by-step. Check water flow/inlet screen, shut off water supply. Disconnect the inlet hose. Check the small screen filter for sediment or blockage. One technician pointed out that a clogged screen or reduced pressure can cause error conditions. Reconnect and turn on water supply. Check for proper flow. If flow is weak, that could trigger a very low flow error. Check for scale, lime. Build up on the spray head. Remove the spray head. Check the holes in the spray head and the spray tube for mineral deposits. The manuals show how to clean the tank, valve, heater assembly. Scale around the heater or probes can cause the brewer to misdetect temperature, flow, and force an error. Descaling, deleaming. Cycle if manual permits or have a technician do it. The general Bunn troubleshooting guide suggests descaling if problems persist. Check the spray head and brew valve. Make sure the spray head is the correct model, undamaged, securely attached. If the distributor of water into coffee funnel is damaged or fouled, that can trigger an error. Check the brew solenoid valve. If it doesn't open, close properly, perhaps due to scale or electrical fault. The tank may not fill or drain correctly and the control board may detect a fault. The manual notes solenoid energization issue. Check temperature probe and heater. Tank confirm. The heater is functioning and reaching correct tank temperature, for example, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 93 degrees Celsius. If temperature is too low, too high, control board may display a service or repair warning. Check that the tank is able to fill and drain as specified. If flow is blocked or sensor doesn't detect proper fill, error may pop up. Manual has filled time to long message, etc. Check the control board. Electronics if all plumbing, flow, and heating looks fine, then the issue may be at electronics. Control board failure. Loose ribbon connector, damaged wiring. The manual states that intermittent behavior is unlikely and board failure may be permanent. Make sure the board is mounted with proper insulating washers. Ribbon cable connected fully in the event that the stop using message still comes up. The control board may be faulty. Be sure to call Bunn Tech Support for further guidance at 800-286-6070. Thank you all for watching. Take care and stay well.